G'day, Len from LPR Toolmakers here. I'm just going to go over this new floating die head. It's a little bit more solid than most of the ones that I've seen on the market. I like it. This particular one here will do, we can supply these in 2 Morse, 3 Morse or 4 Morse. If you want something bigger, we just put a drill sleeve on them. All right, and they come with 4 die heads for all the standard Australian OD dies. 13/16, 1 inch, 1.5 inch and 2 inch. So you can go up to 2 inch, which will probably do you about 3/4 inch or 20 millimeters. Right, so we're going to put this in this little lathe. This particular one's got 2 Morse taper on it. And the job what I'm going to do is this little one here. It's at the moment it's 3/4 inch. It's too big. I'm going to reduce this down to 14 mil by 1 mil, which I need. So that's in a sleeve, straight into the headstock of the lathe. You can do it any way you like. And I'm going to turn that down. In low gear at the moment, so it's a bit faggy. We're getting down there to the finishing. I think it's marked here because I've done a number of these. I'm going to face the back and undercut, with the undercut just around where the thread is. So you get full thread depth. The finished size. And I like to put the thread depth in. Just at the start, just like that. So basically this is ready to be threaded. So I'll turn that right down to as low as I possibly can. Put a little bit of tap magic on the end here like that. And we'll bring the die head down. Okay. So this is on the lowest revs that we can get on this machine. And we're going to put that on. Alright, so that's screw cutting up. Right, so that's the good thing about these lathes. They've got a safety thing on them so you can't bugger them up. And we're just going to tap that out. Alright, I'll just tap that out there. Just lock this into position up here and see that little bit there. I'm going to take that down to the last until that shoulder reaches there. So that means I know it's threaded all the way. You've got the little undercut there. And then we'll just unscrew it. It's been threaded. So that floats the die holder. So you can go right up to, with that you can probably thread something up to about 50 mil long, which is great, but it's nice and sturdy. And the main thing is, you get an absolutely beautiful thread out of it. Okay, so I hope that helps.